Okay, good evening, good morning, or good afternoon, whenever you're watching this. Okay, we will continue with what we have stopped in class, which is the direct proportion and the inverse proportion worksheet that you were given. It's only 5 questions, so it should be painless for everyone. Okay, let me share the screen and we'll start. Okay, here we go. So we have a simple question here. A pool can be drained by 8 pipes in 1.5 hours. And how long will it take for 5 pipes if only 5 pipes were used? So for this kind of question, you just need to set it up and you can simply go like number of pipes, right? And hours, how many hours it takes. So 8 pipe takes 1.5 hours. I just being this fraction, I'll do a improper fraction, so it's easier to calculate later. So if I have 8 pipes and 3/2 hours, 1.5 hours, what happens if I have 1 pipe? What I will do is divide this by 8, I will get 1 pipe. So the hours, you now have to do inverse proportion, right? Less pipe, more hours. It's inverse proportion, so you time 8. So it's 8 times 3/2, which is 12, right? So now I get 1 pipe, 12 hours. So if I have 5 pipes, I time 5. So this one, being inversely proportional, had to be divided by 5. So it will be 12 divided by 5, which is equal to 2 and 2 over 5, equal to 2.4 hours. So answer is 2.4. Okay. Same thing here. Cow can taste. You have 3 cows that give you 12 cans in 2 days. So what can 1 cow do? To get 3 to 1, I divide this by 3. I got 1 cow. So the number of cans will be directly proportional to the number of cow, right? Less cow, less milk. So if this 3 divided by 1, 3 get 1, 12 divided by 3 will give you 4. There's no change in the day, right? So 1 cow will give 4 cans for every 2 days. So now I increase to 5 cows. How do you get that? You time 5, right? So this one now will also time 5. They are directly proportional to each other. So 4 times 5 is 20. And in 2 days. So the question is, they want to say, well, how much you get if 30 cans? Well, 5, no change. But I now want 30 cans. How you get 30? Well, first, let's deal with 10 first. If I divide by 20, I divide by 2, I get 10 cans. And the days now also directly proportional, right? Divide by 2, I got 1 day. So 5 cows will give me 10 cans in 1 day. So 5 cows in 30 days will, to get 30 cans from 5 cows, I will need from 10 to 30 is times 3. So this will also times 3. So this is 3, right? 1 times 3, 3. So I get 3 days. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Clear the drawing. Oops, sorry. share again. Okay, question 3. A contractor estimates to complete a job in 34 days. 35 men must work 6 hours per day. Then, if you have to complete the job in 30 days, employing only 28 men, how long must each man work each day? How long must each man work each day, right? So this one you have to be a bit careful with, because the number is not straightforward to divide, like 34 to 35 and then to 30 days, 34 to 30 days, 35 men to 28 men. They are not nice one number to divide. So just be a bit careful, but the rest is still the same. Men, days, and hours. You have 35 men working for 34 days with 6 hours each day. So I find a common factor between this to this. I can divide this by 35 divided by 5. I get 7 men, which therefore need to work. This divided by 5, this has to be times 5, right? This 2 is inversely proportional to each other. So 34 times 5, I have 170 days. Still working 6 hours a day, no change in the hour rate. So I have 7 men. Now I say I want to increase to 28. How to get there? From 7 to 28? 7 to 28, I test times 4. So if that's the case, this is inversely proportional, will be divided by 4. So 170 over 4 will be 42, right? And 6 hours. So with 28 men, I need to get this to 30. How to get this to 30? It's 42 divided by 30, right? So how many hours you need? You need 6 times 42. Sorry, this is 42.5. 170 divided by 4. 42.5 divided by 30, which is I give me 8.5. So answer is 8.5 hours per day. From the 6, they raise their work hour to 8.5. Yeah. Okay. So same thing with question 4. Question 4. You have 6 robots working 6 hours for each of the 6 days. So robot and days and hours and then article. 6 robot takes 6 days working 6 hours to give you 6 articles. Now they want you to find the product article produced by 12 robot working 12 hours for 12 days. So, well, 6 robot, 6 days working for 12 hours will give me 12 products. This is directly proportional, right? Then 6 robot working for 12 days with 12 hours will give me 24 products times 2. Right, times 2 give me 12. So this one times 2, this one will give me times 2, give me 24. Right, and then 6 to 12, I times 2, I get 12 hours. 12 robot working for 12 days, 12 hours will give you 48. So answer, I get 48 article. Yeah, easy enough. Okay. Easy enough. Let me clear this because I want to get as much space for this as possible. Hold on. Yes. Oops. Okay, here we go. If A cow gave B can of milk in C day, how many days will it take for X cow to give Y can of milk? This is actually no different from question 2. The only difference is now they want you to express this in algebra. That's all. It's the same technically it's the same question with question 2. So here we go. Cow, can, day. A cow, B can in C day. So first you get down to what happened to one cow. Well, I have to do what? I have to divide by A to get one cow, right? So how many can will I have? I will have B divided by A can in C days, right? And so if I have X day, I want X cow, what I have to do? You have to time X, right? So this, how many can will you produce then? You will get B, oops, sorry, B times X over A. Yeah? X cow will give me B times X over A can of that in C day. Now what happened now, because I have to deal with now Y can of it. So X cow to get one can, how many days it will need? It will need C divided by bx over A, or equal to C times A over bx day. You remember your algebra? You divide, so it's actually a cross. You flip it over, cross multiply, is C times A over B times X, right? This become this, huh? So I now have deal with one can now. Now, Y can. So X cow, Y can. To get Y can this time, what? Time Y. So this one will be CA over BX times Y. So which is equal to CAY over BX. So the answer for this is CAY over BX. Now, you want to double check what you did is correct, go do this. Substitute, look at question 2. You can then take A equal to 3, B equal to 12, C equal to 2, X you want it to be 5, and Y equal to 30. Substitute all this to get here, see if you get the right answer, same answer. Okay? Now, and that's it. It's a very short and sharp solution. And you can double check by doing this and substitute it in there. If you don't believe me, you can do that. It will be CA will be 2 times 3 times 30 over 12 times BX. X is 5. What do you get? $60. All right. So 180 divided by 60. Same answer as question 2. Okay, everyone? So This is a very simple topic. You will get one in there. And if you get it, lucky, good for you. Do it as fast as you can. Remember which one is directly proportional, which variable is inversely proportional. Okay? If not, I wish you all good luck in your upcoming SMO and have a good week ahead. Okay, and goodbye. Let me shut this. Okay, bye everyone.